Eagle 1, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved, good day.
VFR for Eagle 1, good day.
Look at that, nice.
Tower, November 6700 Charlie over the 21015, there's change, request transition to Gino.
November 2, Christian, 6700 Charlie, Ontario Tower, ident, Ontario altimeter 3017, and say altitude.
3017, ident, altitude is 3,500, descending, 00 Charlie.
November 6700 Charlie, radar contact 10 miles northeast of Ontario Airport. Transition to Chino is approved at or below 2,500 and say type aircraft.
Type of aircraft is Dutchess BE-76 and transition at below 2,500, 00 Charlie.
Flaps are up, here we go. Car beats in. Engine units are good. There's 0 speed. Engine units are good. Positive rate.